Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Xbox One controller on the Xbox One. This is very easy to do. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and then go on over to Settings and select this. Now go on down to Devices and Connections and go to Controllers and Headset. Then select this. Then locate your controller under here and then go to the three little dots and go to More Options. Then in the upper left, it says no update for me, but you should have an update available. Otherwise, you can just select no update available, and you can go to before we start. We're about to update your controller, keep it near. Don't move it during the update, and keep any attached devices connected to your controller. Make sure that the USB cable is firmly plugged in. So you do need a USB cable plugged in your controller to update it. Then go to continue, and your controller will start updating. And the update is 100%. So do not unplug the controller when it's updating, otherwise there might be an issue. So it says no updates needed with my controller. It's already up to date. So go to next and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.